Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and good afternoon. First of all, let us be grateful to God's blessing for our health and for us having been kept away from COVID-19, which blessing that have enabled us to participate in this essential event, SEAMEO Center Policy Research Network Summit. In this opportunity, I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to all parties who have contributed their ideas, expertise, and working hard on this research and preparing this presentation entitled Tropical Diversity for Prevention Against COVID-19, Potential Use of Essential Oil Therapy Using Indigenous Knowledge. In dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, SEAMEO Biotrop initiated collaborative research with TropMed Malaysia and CERCA. Several meetings were held to formulate the full proposals. Meetings were hosted by SEAMEO Biotrop with invited partners from CERCA and TropMed to discuss the full proposal of essential oil for CPRN. Among the medicinal plants, SEAMEO Biotrop has been researching and developing essential oil for more than 20 years. In response to this COVID-19 pandemic, SEAMEO Biotrop, through research and development, hope to provide a better understanding of essential oil and their practical use to help people and government to navigate through this new normal era brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for this opportunity in this presenting the results of our preliminary study of essential oil therapy as prevention against COVID-19. We do hope that we can obtain more suggestions and input during the fruitful discussion at this summit in order to improve this research for the benefit of the Southeast Asian region and beyond. Without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Supriyanto, scientist from Natural Product Laboratory, SEAMEO Biotrop, to deliver the presentation. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks for the opportunities to present of our works on essential oil therapy for curing the COVID-19. This is a part of our research results in cooperation with the SEAMEO Center Policy Research Network or CPRN Summit, and I work in Natural Product Laboratory SEAMEO Biotrop. This result is in cooperation between SEAMEO Biotrop, SEAMEO TropMed, and SEAMEO CERCA. Ladies and gentlemen, my presentation will be tropical diversity for prevention against COVID-19, especially the potential use of essential oil therapy using indigenous knowledge. I would like to also to introduce you the team members. I'm myself from SEAMEO Biotrop, Supriyanto, and we have also another team, Dr. Evelyn Bigas, the Deputy Director, and also Dr. Romi Ardiansa. And thank you very much for the Director, Dr. Zulhamsyah Imran, for the support. And we work also with our colleagues from SEAMEO TropMed Malaysia, Dr. Terence Iran Eugene, Dr. Maizatul Hashim Omar, Dr. Ahmad Fauzi Yusof, and Dr. Ami Faslin Syed Mohammed. And also we work together with our colleagues from SEAMEO CERCA, Dr. Glenn Gregorio, Dr. Patrick, and also Ms. Anna Galipales. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, essential oils is known already quite long time ago as herbal medicine aromatherapy, as well as it is used also in pharmaceutical industry, food, beverage, in gastronomy, and also recently we use it as a cosmetic industry. And in modern technology, we use also then organic farming as natural pesticide. Therefore, essential oil has the broad use of especially essential oil and its derivative product are potential raw materials for therapy and treatment of various diseases. And the COVID-19 gave us the challenge, of course, to use the potential medicinal plant in Indonesia as well as in Southeast Asia. Next, please. This is the essential oils market demand uh, from from 2016 until 2027. We have seen here the orange oil, citronella oil, peppermint oil, lemon, clove, and also eucalyptus. Recently is increasing very significantly because it is used for curing the COVID-19, as well as the cedar wood and other limes, say for example, clove oil, etc. Also increase globally. So the production and consumption of essential oils have increased globally since 2016 and increased remarkably in 2020 and 2021. So therefore, it is Indonesia and also Southeast Asia as a tropical country has potential also for producing the essential oil to supply the market demand, especially in US, for example. Next, please. Essential oils in curing the COVID-19 or during the pandemic COVID-19 plays important role as follows. There's various innovative attempts has been tried to tackle this worldwide challenge of COVID-19 pandemic. So we have some research result that uh, can be presented in this moment also. Indonesia, as of December 2020, has been monitoring the effect of 11 immunomodulators on COVID-19, and this coming from also the essential oil. The nature-based immunomodulators have been locally used throughout generation among the Indonesian. This is the fact as a nature-based immunomodulator. We call it sometimes jamu, etc. One of the famous product is the essential oil, and recently the essential oils such as limes, clove oil, and also the uh, say for example from the cajuput oil, eucalyptus oil also is very important for respiratory system. Essential oil for health, there is some perspective as follows. Essential oil are believed to be effective in improving one's health by reducing stress, headaches, migraines, sleep deprivation issues, and inflammation, and it is also known in Indonesia. This is one of the products that uh, is used for curing the COVID-19. In aromatherapy treatment, the use of essential oil is believed to improve the limbic system, which plays an important role in respiratory system, heart rate, and blood pressure. So we can take a look about the COVID-19 problem. Generally, the attack about the respiratory system. So based on this essential oil, it is made of 11. It is made of 11 essential oil. We can put here, yeah, and then we can relieve our respiratory system, and also we can make improve better uh, filling, something like that. And this is our product. Next, please. And this is a list of important species for therapy and other benefits. Say that, for example, for agarwood, yeah, agarwood or agarwood oil, it is extracted from Aquilaria, can be used for perfume, cosmetic, and also for pharmacy, especially in the Arabian countries, yeah, and it is distributed widely in Southeast Asia. Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines also known having agarwood, but now the agarwood itself is decreasing the potential in the forest. So therefore, we have to make the plantation. And others, say number five, like cajuput oils, yeah, from Melaleuca leucotindron. It is a lot in our forest as can be used as aromatherapy and also for pharmacy. Kananga oil, also cardamom. Cardamom also is very good for pharmacy, and others uh, species like cubeb oil, jasmine, ginger, fennel, etc. Were very been important for the pharmacy, cosmetic, perfume, etc. And it is distributed widely in Southeast Asia. This is others our discover. Also, there's a lot of the potential essential oil that coming from the different important species in Southeast Asia. Um, that is also must be developed in wider perspective and the use of and other benefits. So, if we take a look all those list of essential oil, the fact there is a lot of the other species which is not known yet. So therefore, we have to add some more to conduct some more research to add some more list of species which is distributed in the Southeast Asian countries. So we have to work hand in hand between SEAMEO Biotrop and other institutions like TropMed and also and also from the SEARCA, because I do believe there is a lot of other species which is not discovered yet. So essential oils have biological qualities that include anti-mutagenic, anti-cancer, antioxidant, and anti-protozoal activities, as well as anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and can be used as immunomodulatory system. And this is important for immunomodulatory because during the COVID-19, immunomodulator is a very important chemical for self-defense, yeah, for everybody to increase the immune system. The antiviral properties from several essential oil has been described in recent years, and various viruses which are very sensitive to inhibitory activity of essential oil. At least this essential oil can be used to increase the inhibitory activities for each essential oil. This is the key. If you would like to know better about what are the chemical plays important roles in as a key active component to prevent the COVID-19. Say, for example, eucalyptus oil, Eucalyptus globulus, Eucalyptus citrodora, they contain about 1.8 cineol. Yeah, it is a very important chemicals compound. Cajuput also is containing also 1.8 cineol. So we can study about this method using in silico docking system. We can develop also with others, for example, about the treatment to the someone who suffer from the COVID-19. At least we can prevent for ourselves. Say for example, by policing this one like this, and then we can respire, see, and then we have a better respiratory system. And then we can see about the bioactive compound like the citronellol, geraniol, limonen, and also nerilacetate. It is very, very good chemicals for the uh, for preventing the COVID-19. Next, please. And you can see here the ginger, black peppers, uh, and then the turmeric extract is containing the curcumin. Yeah, curcumin is also important for increasing our immunomodulator. And there is another paper oil. You can see maybe in your country itself, you can develop this species to be extracted for their essential oil to prevent the COVID-19. Next, please. As antiviral activities of essential oil, we can do the analysis of the antiviral activities of essential oil derived from medicinal plants that are distributed in Southeast Asia. It is need to be focused on the potential to inhibit the infection of SARS-CoV-2. So what I mean is, we have a lot of species in Southeast Asia, but their discovery for the medicinal plant is still limited. Yeah. Especially if we go to the modern technology, the molecular docking techniques could be the first approach to analyze antiviral activities against SARS-CoV-2. And then the ethnobotanical approach is also necessary to characterize the use of essential oil and their derivative product to the local communities. So we have to study from the inventory and then using the docking system, and then we can go also for the extraction based on the ethnobotanical approach, and then we can develop it for the local communities. As a conclusion, as the preliminary result, the bioactive compound contained in the essential oils derived from medicinal plants that have the beneficial on the development of herbal medicine needs to be confirmed by conducting further research and also further cooperation among the Southeast Asian countries. With the high potential of plant species producing essential oil in Southeast Asia, it is necessary to focus on evaluating antiviral activities specifically to SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19 and its variant on the bioactive compound contained in the essential oil using the molecular docking method. Thank you very much for your kind attention. We are expecting to work closely with all parties in Southeast Asia countries. Thank you very much.